Welcome to Da Nang. Welcome to another beautiful day here in the summer time in the central city of Da Nang. Central Beach City. We are actually south of the Antung area today. We are here at the Furama, and this is the neighborhood we're gonna actually explore. There's also Z apartments, and this might be an interesting area if you want to stay 2-3 months over the winter or so. We'll check it out. It's super hot, and Furama is beautiful, but sometimes you have to walk a lot. I just walked from the beach to say hi to some of our viewers, and we're gonna walk now here. I think it's very interesting. Just have to find some kind of entrance to go into the neighborhood. And I think it's gonna be over there. There's also lots of restaurants in this street here. This street is also very interesting because you can go to the left to Hoi An, or to the right into Da Nang, into the beach road. Everything on this road, super easy. If you wanna go to Hoi An, follow the street. You could walk, it's very long, it's like 20 kilometers, or you take a motorbike, or the cheapest way to go to Hoi An is actually taking InDrive. And then you can always suggest a price and then someone can accept it or not. So InDrive if you want to go to Hoi An. I usually don't use it. For Hoi An maybe sometimes, but I like to have my card payment. I don't want to deal with cash. I don't want to pay cash. So I usually use Xan SM, and for food delivery I use Grab. So I use all three apps, and it's great because healthy competition, is very good for everyone. All right, Vietnam Agarwood, but we're gonna go now to the left. I hope I can walk there. We will find out if I get stuck or not. But yeah, this is right opposite of the Furama Resort. Okay, this is also the beach part between the Pullman Hotel Resort, Furama. There's a beach entrance, so that would be your beach entrance. Very nice area, but we're gonna go and see the first pickleball place here. They're everywhere, guys. I might call it the pickleball cult. There's also the V Hotel over there. A lot of you asked me to review that, and I have to do it. I will do it, guys. I will do it. I will do some hotels here. I will do it. It looks nice on paper, and the price is good. And the only thing is you're a little bit south here in this neighborhood. But lots of you like to walk or take the motorbike anyways. So this is a very residential area here. If we continue walking straight, we'll actually arrive into a little bit of an expat bubble. Oh, look at this. Eat clean. Interesting. Brunch and dinner. No MSG, no reheating, daily changing menu. Those are the gems you find if you are watching Social Semi Walks, this channel here. So don't forget to subscribe right now and send it to your auntie. Send it to your auntie and say hey. Or maybe to your uncle. Maybe I have more the uncle humor. But to be honest, I see more and more women watching my videos here. So shout out to you guys. What is going on here? There's a vending machine. It's so rare. Like in a random street here. Usually you have lots of convenience stores everywhere. Look at this apartment building. If you want to find good deals, you need to walk around these neighborhoods to see the best deals here. Sometimes landlords don't want to advertise on Facebook, and they just have a little sign out with a number. Check this out, co-working Da Nang. Now I know where I am. Interesting. This is a very zen co-working space. I did a video there with Marcus one time. Our first video on our German channel. But it's there. They have a lot of AC rooms in there, a lot of events and everything like that. Look at this, how many apartment buildings there are, and new ones. Apartel. So it's an apartment hotel. All right. Look at all these modern new buildings here, guys. This is crazy. And you're just one street away, one block away. This will be probably a construction site very soon. Oh no, the Chihuahua is missing. 20 million dong, if you find them. Believe. Dream big. Wow, what an inspirational building here. Believe and dream big. And another one. Enjoy life. Guys, I hope you are inspired. I think it's villas. I think these are private houses. Wow, interesting. Another one. Be present. Dude, this is amazing. This is what you find if you go to random side alleys in Da Nang, Vietnam. Apartment for rent. Interesting. So this is not a secret or anything like that. This whole neighborhood was always interesting for people who come here and work, because it's a co-working space over there. I remember there are a lot of people coming here and using the serviced apartments, like this one as well. But it's even more your dream living space. This looks super nice, dude. Look at this. Look at this. Nice. Interesting. Look at how many buildings, new buildings there are. I mean, I knew last time I was here, everything was construction. Look at the wires. Everything was construction here. So I knew it's gonna be like that now. Look at it, all these 3 new inspiring hotels. Look at this. Don't throw the trash into the trash bin. And what do we see here? No trash bin. And the problem is, sometimes they close the bag, but the rats coming and biting it open, or maybe dogs as well. That's the problem. It is, however, good. Almost every house has this little bit of a bin. Oh, look, this is also a villa. But sometimes there's none. This is a German word for today, Wertstoffhof. So I have no idea what it is in English. Yeah, recycling plants. Recycling plant, yes, that's it. Don't tell me I cannot speak English, guys. My English is very strong. I've never seen such an old rusty car here in Da Nang, because it's so tough to see old rusty cars. It's always these young 5 to 10 year old Japanese or Korean cars. It's the majority. Dude, this is so interesting. I might look for me here. I don't know. I mean, I have a new home very soon. The flower pot situation is still strong. Everywhere is the flower pots. It's just like the flower pot street. We can call it also the flower pot alley. Look at the flower pots. And there, oh my God, this is a huge mafia here. I hope they will not fight me. Are you the missing dog? No, okay, bro. Maybe he's one of the flower pot gangs. Flower pots everywhere. That's a very stylish tree without a flower pot. I'm scared. Guys, look at this. They're embracing the flower pot situation even more here. I need to go away here. This is dangerous for me. They probably know my name, my face in the flower pot community. They probably already put some flower pot pictures out in the flower pot gang. In the Zeller group of flower pots. Oh, but as you can see here, there's so many. This is, I would call the serviced apartment block. You have probably here, I would say 50 serviced apartments blocks, buildings, at least, including villas. I know it because I filmed it. And filmed a lot of villas here. And even more. And this is also going to be big. As soon as they open, they will have a lot of apartments there. This is going to be an interesting building. And as soon as if they're open, they're sold, the interior is done, it's going to be on the rental market as well. Look at this, another one. And then every single side street has all apartments. One time I was here at a birthday, a Laurel apartment building or something like that. It's not that many restaurants here yet, but I think that will change as well. It's like one of the villas we actually reviewed. This is not one multifamily home, it's one rental property. You can rent the whole thing and you have a pool upstairs there. But then you have, this is the bad thing here, guys. You have all new buildings, but then you have this pile of trash here. This is not nice. But look at this, brand new building, brand new apartment building. Please close the door and it's open. All right. Maybe they need a German guard downstairs for the rules. Oh, check this out, this is also brand new. They're all new here, guys. They're all new. And they're all getting finished now. They're all getting finished here. It almost looks like the house of David. Just one more floor. But David lives there in his castle alone. But this is probably gonna be a apartment building. Also, David, I want to have an invitation when you're done, when it's finally open. The Casa del David. Check this out, guys. This is insane. What? Look at this. It almost looks like Barcelona. Maybe they were heavily inspired. Check this out. This is kind of crazy, right? This is kind of crazy. This building. Wow. No smoke, just stroke. The thing is, it's still heavily constructed area. Guys, this will be a construction site. Lots of construction sites everywhere. But in the future, when all the construction is done, maybe in 2-3 years, in this street at least, it's gonna be interesting, guys. This looks also brand new. Wow. And this will be done very soon. Maybe this year as well, yeah. They're super quick with that. Oh, look at this. You have already some new spaces here. E-space, coffee and craft beer. Perfect. This is where I can meet Sunshine Bloke because he doesn't want to drink beer. She doesn't want to drink coffee. Only in the morning. And then I can have coffee in the afternoon with a beer for him. It's Australian coffee. Australians drink beer for coffee. Check this out, all these new places. But then you see the trash. Very sad to see. Brio apartment building, they have many of those now. Lots of Brios everywhere. It is a big chain, I think. And they all look a little bit similar. The street smells like metal. Because he's actually... Oh God, I gotta go. Please don't kill me. Ah! Oh my God. Ah! It smells so bad. So many new buildings. This is absolutely insane. And super flower pot. The flower pot and boss. Le Muy Villa. Lots of those villas as well. Those are all Airbnb apartments, guys. Villas. Super stylish. Exposed brick building. Huh. Yeah. Wow. It's like you always look at the buildings and you're like, wow, that's so pretty. Look at all these things. And then you turn around and then you see this. I really don't understand this. I really don't understand. Because there are, yes, it's not really a tourist place here, but lots of people who stay here for 1 to 3 months stay here actually. Check this out. All hotels and apartments, guys. Bonnie Boutique Hotel. I heard good things about these places here. I gotta go in the shade. Whew, man, maybe it's too hot here, guys, today. I think this is the end. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. I will definitely come back here. Maybe I will come back here sunset time when it's less hot. So thank you so much for watching. Check out this video here and see you in the next walk.